What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. I'm out here with my girl Candy. Spend a little bit of time with her. Probably gonna go ahead and crank her up. Let her run for a minute. Hopefully y'all seen my last video, Coachella in Detroit. You know, I didn't take my girl down there, man. I don't feel like I was prepared enough. I need to give me a few more things, man. I need to give me some props, man. Like, you know, my signs, my channel signs, and advertising signs and stuff like that, man. But Detroit showed up and showed out, man, as usual. It was a nice event. But part of the reason why I didn't take her out too, man, if you look at my headliner, hopefully it ain't too dark, it's starting to get some bubbling. Let me show y'all. Open my door. Starting to bubble up in a few spots. So, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's a bubble right here. I got some bubbles up front right here, man. So, kind of had me in my feelings. I didn't want to bring her out, bring her to no car show, man, if she ain't 100%. When you indoors at an indoor event, you got to be right. I ain't want to half-step it. So, you know, I think now I'm going to go ahead and snatch this out. This shouldn't be too hard, man. It's like a few panels got to come off. Panel right here got to come off. These panels got to come off. And this dome light got to come out. And I got to put these visors down. So, just a few little screws, man. Shouldn't be too much. So I'm going to go ahead and just knock that out. Keep this video short, maybe. I might just give y'all a whole little collab, just a whole little process of me getting my girl ready for the Florida Classic. Okay, that's my next event I think I want to hit. I think I'm going to take me a little road trip, man. Take my girl out, do something different. You see my rose gold IROX, you know. I'm loving this look, but I don't know if I want to keep this look if I'm going to hit the Florida Classic. Might have to come a little harder, man. So I'm over here weighing my options and getting me a budget set for this trip. I gotta get me a trailer. I'm gonna have to rent me a truck. It's gonna be a little 4-day trip, man, hitting that Florida Classic. So I wanna go all out, man. Have a good time for this. So let's see how this go, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned in. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay locked in. I'm back in my lab. I can't believe I actually painted this whole car in this little bitty garage, man. This is my 1-car garage. So make sure y'all go check out my other videos, man. I got prep for 24s. I got, you know, paint day video. You see the whole process of my girl from start to finish. Check me out, man. All right, let me go ahead and get to this. All right, YouTube, so check this out. I'm starting to get my headliner off. I got my driver's side panel off already. Got my little plastic Christmas trees out. That wasn't too bad. I got one visor off. It was just 3 screws for that. And so you know I had to go to YouTube University and watch a few videos first before I tried to do this. And they were saying how it should have been simple. And it was supposed to be like 2 little bitty clips inside of this dome light. But of course that was not the case. Mine want to have these rivets. See that? So now I gotta figure out how to get these rivets out of here. And of course it's gonna be an issue with getting it back in. So I'm a little pissed off. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue on. As you can see, I got one of my speaker covers off. Now I had redid this myself back when I had first painted the car and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these redone too, because I'm gonna go with a suede top for my headliner. I want to get these suede too, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my visors done with the suede as well. But this is all original, and it's just look kind of crappy, so it's time for some upgrades on my interior. I wanted to get the whole interior done. I ain't gonna lie to you, but my interior really ain't too bad, man. Again, this is all original interior inside this car. I just had it detailed. And I went to a few shops, and of course everybody's just so busy and backed up. The guy told me it might be 4 months before he can get me in, so I gotta just sit here and piece a few things together the best I can, man, and get my girl looking how I want her you know, how I want her to look, basically. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue on, man. So let's see where this goes. All right, I'll cut you back on in a minute. All right, check me out. I got my headliner out. There she go. Wasn't too bad. I just popped these little keepers off down the rivets for my dome light. That's my only setback, but everything else came out easy. So, and I had too much collateral damage. These right here was already kind of like broken off. So I'm gonna get my little plastic pieces back in when I get this finished up. So next step, bags on the go. Let's get to it, Brody. Let's get my girl straight. Look at this, all that dirt. All right, y'all, let's get to it. All right, so I am loaded. I got my headliner back there. I got my speaker covers on the back seat back there somewhere, man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take it to my dog. Bags on the go, and let him reupholster my headliner for me. Red Cup game, man. Where y'all boys at? But I made sure my video was focusing, man. That last one I shot, my Coachella in Detroit video, my camera didn't want to focus all the way on me. But we good now. So if y'all ain't gonna watch that video yet, man, go check it out. Coachella in Detroit by DJ Envy. It was a dope car show, man. I really enjoyed myself. So y'all, let me show y'all something real quick, man, because I'm riding with the Camaro Bible, as I call it. This is the Camaro parts catalog by Classic Industries. They got everything you need, man, to restore a Camaro from 1967 through 2002 Camaros. I'm talking about every part you might be looking for, man, from the rooter to the tutor is in this book. So, and I actually thought about, let me see if I can find it. I was just going to go ahead and order a whole replacement headliner, you know, just do a simple swap out. But of course, everything is on back order, man. But it was a pretty good price. So they got the headliner right here from the, you know, regular sedan hard top or a T-top, all the different colors on there. You know, they fairly priced, man. $194 for that, just the headliner. They even come in kits, man. You can get the headliner with the sun visors and the speaker covers, you know, all in one. You know, so this book is a must-have. If I say it's the Camaro Bible, man, whatever you need, it's in here. You know, it's just, I called them, I said, let me get this headliner. And they even got carpet in here. But I gave him a call, I said, let me get the headliner. And he was like, oh man, it's a 3 or 4 month back order for that part. So just like everything else, man, everything is backed up or you gotta wait. No luck. I'm trying to get my car ready for the Florida Classic in about 3 weeks. So I don't have that much time. So to my guy it goes, man. He gonna do a dog reupholster job on it for me. He do good work anyway. He's done a few of his cars, man, with the suede headliner. He did the suede speaker cover on the back on his 94 Impala. He do good work, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to him. Let him do his thing. So let's go ahead and get to it, man. All right, so I'm up here in my dog shop, Auto Tent Way. Here go his van, all his information. He not here today, man. He at the crib putting in some work on his new house. You know, the brother keeps some shit going on. I respect that. But I just dropped off my my headliner to him, man, so he can go ahead and get it going. There you go. You know, my back, everything, it ain't too bad, man. Hopefully he'll have no hard time with it. Speaker covers right here. So, it's time to get this show on the road, my baby. Let my guy do what he do. Bags on the go. Check them out, man, on Instagram, man, on YouTube. And make sure y'all stay locked in, man. It's just, I guess, part one of my process for the Florida Classic. So let me go ahead and get this show on the road, man. Like I always say, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, you know, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let's get to it, baby. Y'all stay tuned in.